Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will making a glowing neon text like a real signboard. Start with a dark brick wall background. Write your text in a bold rounded font. Apply outer glow with bright pink or can. Now add inner glow for more depth. Then duplicate the text layer and blur slightly for a glowing aura. Now create a new layer and draw wires connecting the lighters to the wall. Lower opacity for realism and add a subtle smoke overlay to make the glow feel alive. In seconds, your flat text transformations into a realistic neon sign shining in the dark. Thanks for watching.